Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters. I'm Gary Christian, serving the area here since 1981, and I've got a home for you today. It's a Jayco Eagle. This is a big boy. That's a destination unit. Come on inside. You can just envision yourself living in this gorgeous travel trailer. Triple slide. It's got a big luxurious couch in the back that makes into a full double bed. 34-inch fireplace. Yeah, I know it does nice to see the flames, but let's be, it's going to save you on propane by putting that heater on, keeping this unit nice and warm as a propane is a backup. And then you got your big Furion flat screen TV, plenty of room for all your DVDs, satellite. It's got a spot over here for that. And you got to be careful with this door because you just pull it to open it up. All adjustable shelves in here. Flat, solid surface countertops, nice big double sink. It's got a pop-up tower here for all your plug-ins. When you're done with it, you push the little switch and away it goes. It's gone. Drawer down below. Nice oven. This rack falls down so you have enough room to cook a bird. Flat grill top, slits in the back are for your knives to go into. Light controls, electrical outlet, convection microwave, side-by-side refrigerator. So grocery time, bring it on. You got it. Good counter space, plenty of storage all the way around. I mean, look at that. Yeah, right, it's like your home because it would be. 4-season unit, very well insulated. You have a nice dinette table. We're displaying it now with the 2 seats, and I've got the other 2 hidden, and I have another leaf that goes in here that's coming up soon. Recliner couches. Let's head up in here. You got your control panel, which we don't have power to this unit, so I can't display them. Solar is all wired for it. This is access into your gorgeous shower area. I mean, we got room in here, right? There's a lot of room. You can put 6'8" in here. Nice tri-fold shower enclosure. A seat here. Nice, great vanity, good counter space. Grab the towel bar here. All right, master bedroom. Reading lights, of course, up above. Windows on both sides. Why is that? Ventilation, cross ventilation for sleeping at night. Brings in a lot of fresh air. Let's take a look. Up. So, it's dark, you can't see it. Here's the table extension. Here's your 2 other chairs, all in a cover. We do have some storage outside, which we'll get to. This is where you can put a washer dryer. Got nice shelves, hanging space. Again, it's really dark to see, but you got shelves in the back, hanging space, full extension drawers. And more of the same over here. Got a real deep with shelves in the back. 6 drawers over on that side. Got electrical outlets on both sides of the bed. That's a quick time inside. Let's go down this solid step. And it is solid, very sturdy. Nice grab assist handle. Got an exterior light control here. So you do have a power awning off of your slide. We can put a slide topper on it if you would like. Spare tire crank down. It does have a hitch in the back if you wanted to put a bike rack on there to carry stuff as you go down the road. Frameless windows, so they look really sharp. It's got a backup camera right here that we can wire into your truck to assist you when you're backing up. Little radio antenna. Of course, your exhaust and up for your refrigerator and your service entry. Dump station's easy to get to, and it's not where your slide out is, so you can access it with the rooms out. 110 power hot water heater, gas, electric. Here's the storage underneath the bed I talked about. And then we have pass-through storage on both sides, battery disconnect switch on the other side, charging ports. This is your manifold for your system for all your tanks, black, gray water, 2 gray water tanks. It's nice to have a unit of this quality and this size in the dealership. It's not going to last long. If you got a question, well, give me a call direct. I'd be delighted to help at 541-554-9581. Thank you.